Hey, welcome back to the Blindside DIY. It's nice to see you guys again. I'm glad you're staying tuned and you're watching my channel. Hey, for today we're going to do some grinding and I'm going to show you the race car and the frame. It's not a race car just yet. We got to do a lot with it. We got the frame down. The bottom half's been sandblasted and painted. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. The top has not. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a couple cuts on the sides of the vehicle, on the driver's side and the passenger side. There's just some bars I have to get rid of. But today we're going to use some glasses, some gloves, and an angle grinder. So that's all you're going to need. Thanks guys, let's get to it. We may or may not use these again. I don't know. But right now we had to get these off because it's just it's not going to be able to fit around the shell of the car. Now I gotta go to the back here, and there's another piece in the back. I just gotta use the chop saw, and I gotta chop that off, make it even, because one's actually higher than the other, and it's leaning. So yeah, let's go to it. I just want to stress the importance of wearing glasses because what y'all didn't see when I was working on that first peg over there in the front, this actually snapped off and broke and went into pieces and went straight towards my face. If I did not have my glasses on, I'd probably be 100% blind right now because it hit my face right here, which y'all can't really see, but hit like right here. But this literally crumbled, and I'll show you. It crumbled into pieces. It's in pieces. You know, this whole thing is just, I don't know, because this was a brand new disc. I just put it on there, and I don't know if it's just bad or whatever, but this whole thing just fell to pieces. So this definitely failed for being a new product that I just got. So right out of the box, it failed. You know, so shows you, be careful and safety first. So let's go to this chop saw and chop this off real quick. Other than that, guys, that's it for today. We just want to show you the frame, do a little grinding and cutting, and that's it. Like, subscribe, please share and leave feedback. If you want any specific videos, let me know. Thanks guys, I'll catch you on the next one.